In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Cursor AI usage. Keeping an eye on your usage helps you understand how many requests you've made, how close you are to plan limits, and when your quota resets so you can plan your work without surprises. Start by going to the Cursor app. Open it like you normally do so you're looking at the main editor. If you work across multiple profiles or workspaces, make sure the window you have open corresponds to the account whose usage you want to review. A quick glance at the profile area in the sidebar can confirm you're in the right place. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the lower left corner of the app. On some systems, you may also find settings under the application menu at the top of your screen. If your window is small, resize it or scroll the sidebar so the gear icon becomes visible. Click it to bring up the full settings panel. Inside Settings, check for the section labeled Manage Account. This area centralizes your account details, including billing, plan information, and usage. If you don't immediately see Manage Account, use the Settings search bar or expand the account-related category. The label can vary slightly across versions, but it will clearly reference managing your account. Now press Open. This button launches your account portal from within Cursor. Depending on your setup, it may open as a new in-app view or in your default browser. Give it a moment to load. If a pop-up blocker interferes, allow the page to open so you can continue. With the account portal open, locate and open usage. This is where you can review how much you've used Cursor's features over your current cycle. You'll typically see totals and recent activity, along with a reset date that marks when your allowance refreshes. If filters or date ranges are available, use them to narrow the view to the period you care about, like the last week or the current billing month. Some pages separate usage by capability so you can tell which tools or requests are driving most of your consumption. That's all there is to it. By opening the app, heading into Settings, checking Manage Account, pressing Open, and then opening Usage, you can quickly verify your current usage and plan accordingly. If something doesn't load, refresh the page or return to Settings and try again. Keeping this page handy and checking it regularly will help you stay within limits and avoid unexpected slowdowns.